Hello everyone, this is M. Saiti, rule number 20955A0232. Subject is Introduction to Robotics. Topic is about industrial automation. Before going to this, let us know what is meant by industrial automation. The automation take a step future mechanism that uses a particular machinery mechanism aided human operations for the performing a task. The mechanization is the manual operation of a task using the powered machinery that depends upon the human decision making. On the other hand, the automation replaces the human involvement with the use of logical programming commands and the powerful machineries. These automation devices includes PLCs, PCs, PACs, etc. And the technologies includes various industrial communication systems. The industrial automation facilitates to increase the product quality, reliability and the production rate while reducing production and design cost by adopting the new, innovative and integrated technologies and the services. We have some advantages of industrial automation system. First one is that to increase productivity. That means automation of factory or the manufacturing or the process plant improves the production rate through a better control of the production. It helps to the produce mass production by the drastically reducing assembly time per product with a greater production quality. Therefore, for a given labor input, it produces a large amount of output. These are the advantages of industrial automation. And second one is to provide the optimum cost of the operation. That means the integration of various processes in the industry with the automated machineries minimizes cycle times and effort, and hence the need of human labor gets reduced. Thus, the investment on employees has been saved with the automation. Third one is to improve product quality. Since the automation reduces the human involvement, the possibility of human errors also gets eliminated uniformly, and the product quality with a greater comfortability and can be maintained with the automation by the adaptively controlling and the monitoring the industrial process in all the stages, right from the inspection of a product to an end product. Fourth one is to reduce the routine checks. The automation completely reduces the need for the manual checking of the various process parameters. Hence, by taking the advantage of the automation technologies, here the industrial process automatically adjusts process variables to set or desired values using the closed loop control techniques. And fifth one is to raise the level of safety. Industrial automation increases the level of safety to the personnel by the substituting them with the automated machines in the hazardous working conditions. Now, traditionally, the industrial robots and the robot devices are implemented in such a way that the risky and hazardous places. We have different types of industrial automation systems. Some of them are, the first one is fixed or hard automation. The fixed automation is such a type of the automation is employed to perform fixed and repetitive operations in order to achieve high production rates. It uses special purpose of the dedicated equipments to automate the fixed sequence assembling or the processing operations. Once it is employed, it is relatively hard to change or vary the product design. Therefore, it is inflexible in the providing product and variety, but increases the efficiency with the higher production rate and reduces unit the cost. Some of these automated systems are distilled process, paint shops and conveyors etc., where the fixed operations takes place. So it is known as fixed automation. The second one is programmable automation. Here, in this such a type of automation, a special class of product changes and also the assembling or a processing operations can be changed with the modification of the control program in the automated equipment. In this automation, it is the best suited for the batch production process. That means where product volume is medium to the high, but in this it is hard to change and reconfigure the system for the new product or a sequence of the operations. So therefore, new product or reconfigure of the sequence of the operations requires a long setup. Some examples of the automation systems are numerically controlled machines, paper mills, steel rolling mills, industrial robots, etc. These are some of the examples of the programmable automation. Whereas comes to the flexible or soft automation is the third one. In this such a type of automation, the system provides the automatic control equipment that offers a great flexibility for the making changes in the product design. These changes can be performed quickly through the commands given in the form of the codes by the human operators. In this automation, it allows the manufacturers to produce multiple products with the different ranges as a combined combination process rather than the separate. So we have some of the examples for this automation. They are automatic guided vehicles, automobiles and multi-purpose CNC machines. So these are the examples of flexible automation or the soft automation. So I hope you understood the topic of industrial automations. Thank you.